Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and just before I start today's video I just want to make you all aware of a trading signal service that we provide here. If you would like to receive trading signals from either myself or the rest of the team here at Daily Market Movements, then you can do so simply by visiting our website www.dailymarketmovements.com. I'm going to leave the website link below this video in the description, so if you are interested in joining our amazing team here, then please don't hesitate to click on the link, and once on the website you'll see that we charge a very small fee of $199 for a year's membership. So in front of me is the Nasdaq 100 futures chart, and as you can see we have skyrocketed towards the upside, currently trading at $10,068. We had the likes of Tesla trading up 6% today. We had Elon Musk, who basically tweeted that they're ready to now make in larger volumes their like truck, not their pickup truck, their actual like lorry truck, as the likes of Nikola. I'm not sure if any of you know this company, but basically they're a electric car company which want to kind of rival Tesla when it comes to the trucks. And they published their IPO earlier on last week, and it was at $20, and it's skyrocketed all the way up to $80. This company still haven't even posted a design yet for their cars. They haven't even got a product. And this is just how much the electronic car industry is just booming at this moment in time. So what do I expect for Nasdaq 100 to do? Well, as I mentioned before, we are kind of overbought. On the RSI, we're currently at 75. So I wouldn't, it looks like we've broken through the $10,000 mark. I don't really like buying up here, although I love tech. I love Tesla, for example. I think Tesla's still got a lot in them, as they're up 6% today. I like the likes of Apple. Apple are trading at all-time high. Google, I still like Google. I love Facebook as well. Netflix, all these companies are doing so well from the lockdown, but I just, at this price here, I would like to see a pullback before I put some money to work. We have just pierced through the $10,000 mark. I'm not sure if we will continue going towards 10,500. I would like to see a pullback down to maybe at least a 9,700, where I could then invest some money and then aim towards 10,500. In a perfect world, I would love the Nasdaq 100 to fall back towards a 50-day EMA, which will be around that 9,500 mark. Do I think that we're going to get there? I'm not sure. One thing I would be wary of though tonight, we have the Fed speaking. A lot of people are curious whether to a lot of people are curious on how the stock market is going to react to a Fed speech. A lot of people are saying, is it going to be bad? Is it going to be good? Well, put it this way: the Fed has just bought back stocks and spent trillions on this new stimulus package to kind of support the stock market. I think it would be very stupid right now if right at the end of it he comes out and says something that the stock market isn't going to like and then plummets. So I think that something good will come from this Fed meeting tonight, but it's just interesting to see where the Fed's head is at with regards to the future of the US economy and how fast they expect the unemployment rate to grow in the near-term future. And also we have the dot plot chart as well, which basically gives us a forecast of the interest rates. And obviously with companies, they are very dependent on low interest rates. So if we get an indication that low interest rates are here to stay for the foreseeable future, by that I mean the next 2, 3, 4 years, then this is a very good sign for companies, and the stock market could potentially rally. But if the Fed disappoints, which I don't think is very likely, because as I mentioned before, the Fed wants the stock market to be high. That's the whole point. They've been wanting to support the stock market. If they do disappoint and the results are below expectations, we could see a bit of a sell-off. But as I mentioned before, I really don't expect this to happen. So we could even see a rally going into the close here, as the Fed is due to speak in about an hour and a half's time, which will be 7 p.m. UK time. But that's 2 p.m. Eastern time as well in the United States. But long term and short term, I am bullish on the Nasdaq, but I'm just not putting too much money around this area to work because we are very expensive. But I still do believe that we will be at 11,000 before the end of the year.